Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for this video is Defense Expo 2020 and Defense Industrial Corridors. So if we take a look at the defense spending basket of our country, India is one of the largest importers of arms, and it has recently overtaken even Saudi Arabia, which has been traditionally a huge importer of arms. In this context, and again after the COVID-19 crisis came up, in the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan package as well, the finance minister has emphasized on defense sector as a strategic industry where defense production should become local. So the technology can be global, but the production should eventually become local to reduce dependence on imports. And every year there is an exhibition of defense equipment, and that event is a flagship event of the Ministry of Defense, and it is called Defense Expo. In this year, it happened in the month of February, from 5th to 9th February. This information of course is not important for UPSC. However, you have to just remember that it happened in Lucknow. Now the facts and figures are not really important for UPSC perspective, but we have to know what the Prime Minister has envisaged in this Defense Expo 2020. So he spoke about increasing the defense exports from 17,000 crores currently to 35,000 crores. It is not the number that is important here. Again, Prime Minister has emphasized that we should double our export basket in the next 5 years. So that is the important point. So he also wanted to make India the next defense manufacturing hub because it has a huge market. He also highlighted that there are only 270 defense licenses issued till 2014, and now the number is 460. So this talks about the government's commitment to give more and more companies space in defense manufacturing. And he also set a target of boosting MSME's performance to 15,000 in the next 5 years. So this is a very large number when you talk about defense sector. However, this is important in the backdrop that the Comptroller and Auditor General's report in Parliament this year said that we were forced to procure recycled high altitude clothing and boots between 2015 and 2016 due to budgetary constraints. This is a very problematic issue, considering that Siachen is one of the, or in fact the most toughest territory or terrain for army personnel across the globe. So it is in this context that in November 2019 the government announced its intention to set up defense industrial corridors in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Now this can be important information for prelims. You don't have to remember each and every place in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu which are listed in this defense industrial corridors. You have to know the logic. Probably how UPSC frames its question can be looked at in the next slide. Now the purpose of this defense industrial corridors is to increase defense production in the country. Now in this context, you also have to remember the report, Stockholm International Peace Research Institute. Please do some research about the information about this institute, and it is in this data that was released by this institute, India topped the list of arms importer, accounting for 13% of the trade in global weapon trade, and that is in the period between 2012 to 2018. So these corridors overlap with existing defense public sector companies. This is the important point. We are only trying to add up capacities in the areas where this ecosystem already exists. So this will also aim to ensure connectivity among various defense industrial units as well. This is a very obvious point, and there is no need to explain this further. So what are the connecting cities in Uttar Pradesh and what are the connecting cities in Tamil Nadu? You have to remember the fact that it is present in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So whenever you have a question in GS mains, remember there can be a question on locational factors. Why are defense sector companies located in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu and not elsewhere? Please prepare an answer for that. That is beyond the scope of this video. I'm just telling you the possibility of this question. Now try to answer this question. Which of the following cities can you likely find a defense industrial setup as announced by the government in its defense industrial corridor plan? Now we have discussed in the video that UP and Tamil Nadu are the places where industrial corridors of defense might come up. So you can eliminate every other place as per this defense industrial corridor plan. That is the keyword. You can eliminate every other place that is not in UP and Tamil Nadu. Agartala, Bhubaneswar, Srinagar, all these can be eliminated and the answer is Lucknow. Now if you go back to the previous slide and have a look at it, Lucknow is definitely there in the list of cities that is a part of this defense industrial corridor plan announced by the government. So that is how you have to logically eliminate various options. UPSC does not expect the candidate to remember each and every piece of information. You just have to know that peripheral knowledge. Now this is a video regarding institutional delivery. If you haven't watched the previous video on institutional delivery, please go back and watch those videos. This is a sort of a revision question based on that schemes of institutional delivery. Please post your answers in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Thank you.